Rolling.
Oh, 1, 2, 3, smile!
What are your favorite spots here in Vegas? Like, what's your go-to spot when you want to relax?
I love that you asked this question. My go-to spot is the Waco coffee there. So shout out Waco. And Tomo. Shout out Tomo. No. I'd say my favorite spot is like what's it called? Something Garden. It's just beautiful there. That's it. That's all I can say. So many memories and food. Sa akin, ang color red. Pero hindi sobo. Yung Jollibee. Sobo. Ay, hindi kasi. May joke kasi yan sa memes. Nuggets yung jokes eh. Hindi. Saan yung Jollibee? Yung Jollibee. Sa UBEC. Yung medyo, ano siya, corny, pero Sabog. UP nga eh. Sorry. Kakakape mo yan eh. Wala dito kasi, pero sa UPTC. Dallas pa. No, but it's really good. Shout out Jollibee. Excited, siyempre. Siguro nung mga first 3 months ko, parang linggo-linggo nasa Sunken kami nito eh. Kami nila Ate Rhea, nila Katie. Parang like, kasi dati, gabi yung training, hapon yung training namin. So, parang after Pansin Canton, diretso kami Sunken, tapos dun nagiging pahingi. Ako naman, wala. Kasi, hindi. First year ka, wala? Hindi, tamad kasi ako nasa dorm lang ako. Parang recovery ko yun eh. So, buong araw nasa dorm lang talaga, nasa higaan. Natulog lang siya palagi. Nasa tabi ko. Ayun, nasa dorm lang talaga. Wala talagang face-to-face. Nakikita niyo ako naglalakad, pero wala talaga. BTC lang, ganun. Pag may training, may extra. Pupunta lang ko. Tapos, akad. Pumapasok na. Ang sinasabi niya, hindi ako pumapasok ha. Mas sipag ang UP ko sa akin. Yes. Alam yung mga bro.
Who's the funniest person that you know?
RR. Marami. Yeah, all of them actually. Like, everyone can make us laugh. Depende sa araw. May scheduling kasi depende sa depende sa trip kung sino nakakatawa. Isa kasi reaction tao kahit di siya ipapatawa. Makita mo lang siya nakagano. Medyo asap na ako rin. Yung nagdi-discuss ako, makikita ko lang ako dun. So parang, di ba? Parang, di ba? Hindi ka makapag-focus ka doon? Di ba hindi? O, di ba? Hindi nakakatawa, pero nakakatawa yung reaction, di ba? Pero yung sagot niya, hindi nakakulit naman. Wala ko sasabi pala ka naman, marinig naman. Yung sagot ko, ito yung ano.
How do you welcome your ceremonial ritual ba? Or ano ba?
Since during practice sila ako dumarating. So, syempre, during practice is medyo strict kami. So, medyo wala mo nang kaibigan, wala mo nang welcoming. Talagang competition. Bago ako pumunta sa team na to, hindi to basta-basta to. Pinaghihirapan talaga. Bigbigayan ng konting hindi pwede na pasok ka lang welcome din. After practice, welcome po! Every kayo yun! Ganon. Doon pumasok yung bonding after the day. Pero during medyo mahirap sila. AJ, di ba? Oh, that is true. I was super nervous. Pero, after, I was looking forward after the practice. Kasi they just warned me. Like, I was like, ay, they're touching me. Fake ba yan? Fake ba to? I was like, yeah, fake yan. And then, they're super nice talaga. You could tell. They weren't like, hindi sila two-faced. Like, you could tell they're actual characters. The first day nga I said hi to them. Nag-hi ako like back and forth kasi hindi ko maalala yung mga faces nila. And then I said like hi to my teammate Rio like 5 times. Kasi hindi ko naalala. I was like, hey, my name is AJ. Sabi niya, oh nga, AJ nga. Oo nga, kulit mo ah. Oo nga eh. Ano naman umaga? Aga-aga ka. Natapos ko na magbibig.
Yun, wala namang ritual sa amin ng mga senior. Mga, ano yung skills mo ipakita mo? Kung ano man yung talento mo, ipakita mo na. Kasi, yun lang naman talaga eh. So, sa labas ng court, ayun, magkakaibigan. Mga banding, usapan, kung ano man yung usapan. So, yun lang. Wala naman talaga siyang ritual na mga tatakunan ng bola. Welcome. Tama ka lang. Walang ganon.
Mabait pa kami.
Sa kanila.
Hindi niyo mabait pa kami talaga yun.
Hindi, walang lang talaga. Kasama lang po welcome. Or naman yung, kung ano man yung mga maaambag mo sa team. Sobrang laking bagay na yun. Para sa amin. Makakatulong ka.
But I feel like that's one thing about our team. I feel like even though we have like difference in ages, heights, regions, I think we treat each other all with respect. So I feel like that's what makes our team like very solid.
Kumbaga, pantay-pantay lang. Walang senior, walang
Yeah.
rookies. Pag nasa court.
What's the funniest thing that's ever happened to you guys during practice or during a game?
My favorite moment was actually 2 days ago when we beat the
Oh.
Elders.
What was their name?
Yesterday we beat them at a 3-point
Grabe
shot.
ka naman sa
Seniors naman.
Seniors po.
We beat the seniors and their look at their faces is just so funny. And then like they got revenge din They got revenge.
Because every moment I spend here is such a fun time. So like, I don't really have a favorite moment. Just like spending time with everyone in my team. All of them are great memories. So I don't have a specific one.
Sa akin yung kapag galit si Coach Paul, tapos may nagpatawa or pinigil kasi bawal kami tumawa, patay kami kay Coach Paul. So parang nagtitigil kami ng mga emotional na yun yung pinaka-favorite ko. Sa akin, siguro yun din, kasi yung mga mukha nila nakikita ko, nakakatawa eh. Yung tigil na, yung may katawa, pero pinipigil, alam mo yung palabas na nabibig nila.
Saan po nasa court?
Tapos kahit, usually kasi lang maayos para marinig lang yung magisintas kunyari, pero nasintas naman sa pansin niya. Kunwari, naiihi, pero kasi lang ilabas yung emotion na yun.
Pag nakikita na si Coach Paul, kumbaga, seryoso na. Tapos, yun nga, sabi ni Mau, once na may isang player na wala sa
Wala sa sarili.
pero tatawa kami na deep inside na. So, sa amin lang. So, pag nakatingin na, ayun na.
Actually, hindi pala siya nakakatawa. Yun yung pinakamahirap gawin. Kasi nagtitigil ka ng tawa mo, tapos magkasabog ka anytime, pero pinitigilan mo lang.
Pag-CR ka na lang. Masaya. Kaming lahat. Nag-i-enjoy. Pag sa seryosong usapan, seryoso na talaga lahat. Kasi, diba, may mga goal din yung coaches pa kami doon. So, yun. Pag seryoso. Pag joke time.
How do you balance your practice and studies?
I'd say like as long as you take the good teachers. As long as you get the good teachers that would like be understanding of your situation being a student athlete, and they'll like, and you always show up in the classes as long as you can. If not, if you have a game, like you have to tell your teacher. And I guess just submitting all the requirements and doing your best as a student athlete is how you can be. That's how I do it.
What's your favorite part about being in the women's basketball team of UB?
I think it's a family.
That's one. Together.
We will
Pag nagbablog yung isa, vlog lahat. Pag kalboy ka, kalbo lahat.
Ano ba together? Ano naman ako?
Iba na yun. Iba yung usapan na yun.
For you. For me, it's the people, and I look forward to for the pandesal every morning.
Siguro yung ugali ng kasama ko. Saka importante yung ugali ng bawat isa sa amin. Baka parang mahihiya ka kung magawa ka ng kasalanan sa bawat isa kasi sobrang close. Sobrang kumbaga hindi ka pa part ng family. Pag, alam mo yun, iba yung, ano namin eh, iba yung bonding na meron kami.
Yeah.
Parang, no one's,
Parang walang makakasira.
walang
Yeah.
makakasira. Enjoy lang kung ano man yung meron kami sa team, sa family, sa binanda. So, masaya maging part ng women's, yung kami. And I think yan yung pinaka-importante sa amin. Yung bawat isa, may kalimutan ko yung words. Food. May food. No, di ba may food?
Bawat isa may tiwala.
Yeah. Ganun din yung tiwala. Siguro yun.
Sa akin ano, kung makikilala niyo yung team namin, iba-iba kami na ugali. Iba-iba yung dialect, language, iba-iba yung ano, pero siguro yung favorite part ko lang is hindi lahat perfect. Talagang lahat nagkakamali. Lahat nagkukumit ng yun nga, nagkakamali. Yun, at the end of the day, parang may chemistry talaga, outside, inside talaga. Parang, kung, kahit may bago pa, may bago na. So, parang mabilis kami magbigay ng tiwala sa isa. So, hindi siya ganun kahirap sa team namin. Hindi ko lang bakit, pero ang gaan sa feeling kapag kasama ko sila.
Tapos dumating na dito, hindi na kita papakawalan.
Trainings are tough. Yeah. How do you get through that? How do you motivate yourselves when it gets tough during trainings?
Siguro sa akin, nung nagka-training pa ako, syempre hindi naman pwedeng tulog lang ako, gising ako, punta ako doon, ano lang, parang magpakita lang ako. Siguro, like everyday, pinaprepare ko yung sarili ko maging better. Ang sinachallenge yung sarili ko na gusto ko yung di ko na kaya, yung bibigay na yung katawan ko para ano eh. Gusto ko yung pagod na pagod ako pagkas ng training. Yeah. Well, I agree with Kaloy on that. Like, if it was hard training, you just have to think about it before, like, the rest of the day. And, like, try to, like, prepare yourself for, like, tomorrow so you can do better. And I feel like also for me, like, personally, I would listen to music in the morning. So it will, like, hype me up for, like, it's a new day. What's it called? Forget about tomorrow. New day. Get stronger. Get back to work.
Hey.
Mindset.
Hey.
Sa akin naman, kung sa training, parang ginagawa ko siya as a game na seryoso to. Kahit training to, game yung mindset ko. Magawa ko lahat. Ano man yung kaya ko pang ilabang. Parang masasala yung katawan ko na kailangan seryoso ko. Ina-anticipate ko yung mga gagawin namin sa day na yun, sa training na yun. Itong gagawin. Itong gagawin namin. Ito yung gagawin ko. Baka 101% yung gagawin sa training. Hindi yung may iwan ka pang, ano yun, mga percent sa katawan mo. Baka todo balls mo talaga hanggat meron. Hanggat hindi pa natatapos yung training. Hindi ka mag-i-stop din. So, yun. Yun lang yun.
Sa akin yung pag-training, hindi siya ideal world or hindi siya perfect na araw-araw. Masaya, laging energy. Pag gising ng umaga, ganado ko agad. Hindi ganun. I mean, hindi siya pelikula na parang si baby lang yun. May oo, hindi siya, so, minsan pag gigising ka sa umaga na masakit na katawang pero isip mo gumaga. Isip mo na lang yun. Minsan, gigising ka ng umaga, ayaw mo tumayo. Sobrang sakit na ng katawan mo. Minsan, ayaw mo na mag-training pero that's the dream eh. Babalik at babalik ka sa kung paano ka nagsimula. I mean, iisipin mo lang na maraming gusto tumapak kung nasa ka ngayon. So, yun lang, babalik at babalik ka. Pero, hindi siya perfect talaga na sa, kasi hindi siya perfect palagi. Like, pero, kailangan mo lang magpatuloy.
May goal kasi. Kung bakit mo
That's the
ginawa.
dream.
Goal, dreams. Jay, like what Ate Mouse said, but for me, I wanted to be here. I wanted to play for the Philippines and I wanted to play for UP. So I just, basically what they said lang. Copy paste. Copy paste. Copy paste.
And who's the toughest opponent that you faced?
It's always like a fight.
I guess you
I feel like because usually what you would expect us to say is onion, but the thing is, you see from the beginning they're fighting, you know.
Parang swag eh, no?
How do you handle the pressure when you're in court, you're playing the game, and then it's like a close game? How do you handle the pressure?
Sa akin, focus lang ako sa kung ano man yung nangyayari sa loob ng court. Kasi once na madami kasing boses na pumapasok sa isip mo, hindi mo na alam. Kumbaga, parang sasabog kang, wawala kang sa ano man yung focus mo. Kasi, kumbaga, kapag iniisip mo kasi yung sinasabi nila sa'yo, ito, ganito, dyan ka, ay, saan na ako? Kaya nawawala ka, so, for me, kailangan mo lang maging focus yung that game. Kung ano man yung pinapagawa sa'yo, gagawin mo. Yun para sa akin. So, sa iba naman kami mga panahon namin na handle pressure namin. Okay.
Well, that's a challenge, going into the game. Of course, there'll be lots of pressure, There'll be, like, the coaches, of course, not one coach, but, like, we have, like, 6 coaches, right? There'll be 6 coaches on the bench, and then there'll be everyone else on the other side of the court. Then, obviously, there's so many things that could distract you. But that's a problem. You have to, in a way, like, remove all of those from your vision and just focus on what you're doing. Focus on the game.
I focus a lot on my teammates, the tiwala of the team. Because without trust on the team, then you're done for. Pero if each player have trust on each other, then the game will be much easier and your confidence, and that's how you prepare for a big game.
Basically, yung sinabi lang ni Mr. kanina, may isa kaming concept natin na be in the moment. Huwag mo isipin yung kahapon, mamaya, just ngayon. Simple lang. Kung yung nakikita mo, yun lang. Doon ka lang mag-focus.
Chrissy, anong reaction mo? May narinig ka ba nag-share sa'yo na pin Barry Chrissy?
Ang sarap lang sa pakiramdam.
Taon na
May sumusuporta. Ay, paano. Yun nga. Baka, nakaka-appreciate para sa akin na may isa, tatlo, dalawa na sumusuporta, especially sa team na alam naman namin na yung women's konti lang yung sumusupport. So, kahit po paano may
may inspiration, may motivation kami para lumaban. Hindi naman hindi kami lalaban dahil gusto namin may manonood or lalaban kami dahil sa team, sa UP na dinadala namin sa Korea. Kasi lumalaban kami hindi lang sa mga pinili namin. Lumalaban kami para sa UP. Ano sa bawat isa. So, yun. Sobrang na-appreciate namin yung ganong support. So, sana tuloy-tuloy. And yun lang.
So you have a young fan who wants to play in the women's basketball team. What would you say to them?
For me, for inspiration now, find a great team. You can't go into a team na winning team na yung mga players nila so rude, mean, yung energy nila bad. Pero they win na. I'd rather go, you should rather go to a team na better attitude, better coaches, better great mindset. Kasi that will push you. Even if you guys lose all the time, at least you're with great people around you. So I say, yung mga surroundings mo, just look for that.
The advice that I would give is that, like, the further you go, the higher the competition. So obviously, there's gonna be many ups and downs. Not every day is gonna be a happy day. Not every day is gonna be a great day. So you just have to keep trusting yourself, keep that confidence high, and keep motivating yourself, inspiring yourself to achieve your goals and your dreams. That's what I give to
Sa akin yun, siguro yung hindi pagiging makontento sa isang bagay. Like, kapag nakapasok na ganitong bagay, well, it's an opportunity pero katumbas ng maraming responsibilities. So, kailangan mo lang maging ready all that, 100%. Same lang din siguro sa sinabi ni Baby. Parang, siguro, iba yung intensity ng college basketball sa high school. Yeah. Ayun. Kung akala mo na high school magaling lang. Yun din gayatin mo. Siguro, iba nga yung intensity ng college basketball, so dapat mas may nilalook up ka sa sarili. Siguro sa akin na, hindi, huwag kang matakot. Pakita yung skills mo. Kasi once na matakot ka kasi, baga, nawawala yung opportunity na nandyan na sana sa harap mo. Parang pinakawalan mo. So, sa uli, magsisisi ka na dapat, sana dinap ko yung opportunity na meron ako. Sana kasama ko tong team na to. So, yun lang go hard ka lang din sa, kasi yun nga, sabi ni Mau, huwag kang makontento once na makapasok ka dyan sa schools. Gusto mo pa sa learnings, gutom ka para mag-improve ka as a person and as a team din, sa surround na meron ka, sabi ni AJ. So yun. Show your skills and talent. Yun lang. Huwag mo sayangin yung binigay ng Panginoon sa'yo. Ka muna.
UPWBT, and we're inviting you guys to come watch all of our games for the UAP Season 87. We will fight better, stronger, and together. UP!